This is day one restoration of the G10 Chevy sports van, and I'm just going to show the outside right now. All this is rust free, really. It's just surface rust, no holes, I should say, around where the obvious spots are. And I'll show you inside. You see there, it's all in good shape. She's got the leaf springs in the back, and she's in good shape there. Again, I'll show you. All the lips inside are perfect, and it don't look like it was ever any work done on it. And we got those rust sticky pad things, and they do save the vehicle. And here's the rocker panel where all these vans go. Even to now, all these vans go there, and especially in the front as well. It's all good. You can see that there was no patchwork ever done with the wheel wells, and around here is in good shape. They rust there as well. I do have to replace the grill. Well, not the grill. These things are in 3 pieces. That's the grill there, but there's this cap that goes over around the round headlight and the indicator. She's cracked there. And the same goes for the other side. There's that piece. The grill is in perfect shape on it. Do need a new badge, Chevy badge. As you can see, she needs paint. You know, it's all gone to a matte color. Used to be very shiny at one time, I'm guessing. This is the original color too. It's black, and if you look on the papers, that they did come in black. There's the badge, and the side marker lights are in really good shape as well, along with the other side is in good shape in the front. The headlights will be replaced. They are very old, and these things just get a little cleaning up and see what needs to be done with those. So she has a little bit of damage on the fender. The doors will be replaced. I do have some spare doors. They can be saved. They can be bent back or whatever, but I am going to be putting other doors on this for now, and the fender will be bent out and stuff like that with special tools and things like that, because these fenders are actually welded on to the A pillar here and inside to the cowl panel. So I'll show you the cowl panel here. Somebody has replaced the screws, because I would say they were painted black. Someone had replaced, but they actually are the original screws to actually go back into them. And I don't know the deal with these wiper blades arms either. I had to look at those as well. I did notice that the soft ray tinted glass, they called it back in the day, it didn't really stand up to test of time in this van itself. As you can see, that haze, that's what that tinted soft ray glass, that's what happens, I guess, over the years. Certain vehicles, depending on where they're parked, I guess, the heat, the cold, whatever type of weather that it's in. And she had some stickers there that I will be taking off. She didn't have the chrome mirrors. She had the painted mirrors. That is the original mirrors for it. They will be coming off. I have to check out the window vent windows just to see if they work properly. I'm not sure yet. I just had to purchase in the truck, or the van I should say, the G10. I don't know if the locks work yet in the doors. I know that these handles are in pretty good shape. They work. I show you around the lips. Needs new weather stripping, things like that. You can see all around the lip here. It's all in pretty good shape. you know, it's shiny, of course, in here. You didn't see much sun in here, of course. And you got the whips, you know, they're all in good shape. And underneath, you know, they're all in good shape. These just came with the full metal door. And then you take those screws off, just take the panel off and things like that. The G20 and G30 had the fabric. But some people like the rugged vans with the metal. She came with the red interior. Nothing really fancy. The step, I'll show you the step. It's all in good shape, just paint on there. A lot of dirt there. And you can see up here is just dirt on I don't think that the seats are movable right now. The rails have are completely locked up, so I can't move that seat, and I can't move that driver's side seat. You know, she don't have the vent here for heat. She just got the front window heater, and the same goes for over there. She would have the vent on that panel. The stereo has been replaced. I would put something a little bit better in there. She got the typical 70s doghouse. It needs to be put back in place. You know, the door's all in good shape. The ashtray's there, and the cigarette lighter. If anybody knows what I can put up here as an empty plate, what I can put there, you can comment if you want. I know there's a lot of room over there where the ignition is too, for like toggle switches and things. I may put toggle switches over there if I ever need any toggle, probably for a second battery or something when you're turned off with doing things inside. And then it'll link back to the starter battery, which would juice it back up again. There are the buckles. It's missing a piece. I would be replacing the belts altogether. This is the roof line. Don't have the headliner anymore. You can see it's missing also a visor, but that's easy to be replaced, of course. You don't have to put back the original. You can put back something that you prefer. You know, it's a van, you know. It's not like you're taking away the value or anything. Someone had a center light installed. I do believe that is factory, because that is the same light as back here. So that's probably something like a dealer or something put in years ago. Now she do have an option. She do have the roof vent right here. That is actually the original roof vent. That would be replaced because it's seized up now, and I'm not a big fan of the white metal aluminum. I would go with the plastic white or something on that, or plastic black, just to make it look a lot more modern. Now she has the option. Yes, she has options. The sliding door with the windows that come out. Some of these just had the solid window, like that one there, just a solid window. But someone ordered this. I don't know how much it would have been in '79 or late '78, because this is actually a '78 but sold as a '79. For all those car people out there, you know what I'm talking about. September model. I noticed up here she's let go a little bit. She do hold on perfect, but watch when I move the window, you can see it's off the track a little bit, and she's not completely straight here. That will be replaced. This window here is completely perfect. There's no flaws in that at all. And when you look underneath, you can see the weather stripping is actually in half decent shape for its age. It's actually original. You don't get a lot of weather stripping in that good shape. So that would be replaced, but I'm just saying that it's actually in really good shape for its age. They come out in and out really easy, as you can tell. Chrome handles, you know, things got to be greased up a lot. They're very stiff. With this door, I have a problem with this door as well. I'm not going to open it, but the gears inside that actually move this handle to unlatch it and things like that is all let go. But it's not let go on the track. The track is in perfect shape. There's nothing wrong with the track. It's just the mechanism inside for the handle, so I will be showing in later videos the restoration of that and how to replace that. A lot of people don't know, you know, so I'll show them. These things here are you always have to grease these. I always grease these. You never ever let them run dry, or they will start rusting or whatever if you're in some type of climate that make car rust, you know. But also too, it's easier to move back and forth, especially for the ladies. You know, you can open and close really easy. These windows here, these were always manually. They're just stock. They're just into the body. I've never seen any of them ever come out. Not this type, but the camper style one that comes down here to probably this edge here and wraps around, that type of thing. Which, you know, she's just the bare bones windows. She's pretty straight here alongside the body. She do have a dent right here, so I'm going to show you. She's got a dent that's actually pointing outward, so that must have happened on the inside. And this one's pointing in, so it happened out here. And we have a few of these little nicks here, but I think that's imperfections in the paint. It's not actually dents, they're imperfections in the paint. I'm guessing over the years, a bit of water or something got into them. But again, I'll show you around the rockers. Everything is in good shape. That's just paint gone. I'll show you inside. Everything is perfect. There's no spots at all. You know, no spots of dirt, but no spots of rust and rust holes or whatever you want to call it. The rockers are in really good shape, and I haven't showed you over here yet. You know, and she's got the white stock wheels with the center hub caps, and of course the bumpers will be taken off and repainted. I'm not sure if I'm going to repaint them white or paint them the grayish metal color that they came with. And I'm not sure when I go to replace the door, it's going to go with the chrome mirror or the body colored mirror, or even a white. I'm not sure. And you see here the lights are in perfect shape. Turns are perfect here. The grate here you can see around the lip is really good. I've noticed a lot of these rust over the years are underneath the windows here, and you can see that really good shape. You got your water drain off right here. Everything is good here. Your tail lights are in immaculate shape, and underneath here you can see that there's a rock or something in there. It's very dry. This van was in a very dry place, you know. And I'll come up here and I'll show you that it's in really good shape here. I'll show you inside on the next video. You see the weather stripping there is gone, but the door lips are perfect. And she's a 79, so she don't have the handle here. She got the little latch right here, so it calls up on that. And then, you know, she got the bare bones door, and that was the option for the pull-out windows like that are over there. And there's the lip. Weather stripping's gone, but lips in perfect shape. We got. That's just the welding right there. Welding is starting to show because the window or the paint is starting to leave the body. You see around the edges, perfect shape. And again, side marker lights. And you can see no rust around the windows. Lips in perfect shape. You can see the old stuff they put in there after they welded the top on her. It's typical, just the paint has gone off it. And she got the swivel, she got the swing out windows, they call them actually. And they're in perfect good shape too. You know, they're just very stiff. And of course now you bang on the side of this van, you know, it's going to be some echo because it's so bare inside. Just a little tap. And again, she got the white mirrors, and she got the dent here, and she just got a little bit pushed in here because of this door, just a little push in. And you can see the badge is in good shape again, like on the other side. So that is the outside of the van. Well, I'll probably show you the vent from the top angle. The the weather vent, so I'll show you that there now. So here it is here. Someone's got a cap put over it. I don't know if it leaked at one time or something like that, and someone just put a cap over it instead of taking it completely out and putting a new one in. You probably had their reasons, I'm not sure, but someone has put a cap over it so you cannot push up or down on the handle inside, so it won't move. So that's it there, and this is the roof of her. You know, it's flat. Nobody's been on top of it or anything like that. It's not. It wasn't a hippie van or anything. People sat on the roof for watching Woodstock or anything. It was 10 years after, so it's 79. So okay, so stay tuned to part 2, and that would be the interior of the Chevy G10 sports van.